Good morning from the top of the highest bin on the place. Is the big twister. Look at that load from last night. Whew. We actually got some peas, look at that. Anywho, this bin holds 2,700 I think, or 2,600. Probably 2,650. We pulled most of a Super B load out of it. We started on the other bin, finished on this bin. I swear it was 3/4 of a Super B we pulled out of this bin. So it's like, oh, that's no problem. This bin holds like 4 full truckloads, like cork to the rafters, full 4 truckloads. Sweet. Okay, so I put 2 full truckloads in the bin. And it's like, okay, third one, well, we should be able to put most of it in. We'll just have to watch. So I get the charger's on the tractor because they're not starting. And look at the beautiful weather. It did not freeze last night, and the wind blew all night, like water everywhere. Isn't spring in February awesome? Anyways, back to the moral of the story. I was like, well, I wait for stuff. I'll climb the bin and see how full it actually is. I start tapping the bin coming up. It's like, that's how full it was. And I wasn't even watching it. Oh, we got lots of room. Holy Toledo. Like, there's not much left in there. We'll put a bit in because we're going to just cork this right to the rafters. Because we're going to need the room. That's a good problem. More grain than you thought. That's nice barley. But yeah, holy Moses. That's crazy. Intercrop separating is done. Andrew's blowing out the quick clean. Make it nice and clean. I'm gonna move this to the next bin since we're gonna clean that, suck that bin out for seed, and then that full truck for seed. You betcha. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. There we go. This is the last bit of grain transfer, and we're gonna start cleaning oats, our own oats, hopefully this evening. Oh, what a... It's been a lot. Here's the peas. Decent looking peas. There's a lot to clean out of them. A lot of barley and oats. Now we clean it out because we're going to do oats next. And even if we weren't, we're just switching to seed. So we clean it out, we'll reverse it, blow the hopper out, blow the boot out, be all good for seed. think it's morning anymore. What kind of ridiculousness are we up to today, you might ask? We are cleaning our own stuff once again. This was a field that had a lot of wild oats in it. Look at that, that's quite trashy garbage. So we're cleaning that for silage, green feed, cover crop, grazing. So we have some wild oats in it. Instead of buying seed for $7 a bushel for common, we'll just have a couple wild oats in it. Which, because it's not really going to matter, because by the time the wild oats are going to seed themselves out, we'll be cutting it for feed anyways. And look at all it's cutting it pretty hard, because it's supposed to do that. So this field was really dirty. This was a field we had just rented. This was the second year. And since we seeded it so early, we didn't get a super good kill on the wild oats, the second flush. And since it was thinner on this half of the field, had some foxtail there. So it's definitely working overtime getting all that junk out. Not good for normal seed. And there, we still have some wild oats in it. Those are the big wild oats. Not really anything you can do about them. So this will be good for cover crop. Lots of screening. This is going to be good for cover crop and silage, green feed, where you don't have to worry about wild oats, because you're going to cut it before they go to seed. So it'll make feed much better than seed and barley. Yeah. Oats is a little bit of wild oats in there. It'll make feed. We're putting it into a flat bottom bin so that we can have more hoppers for all the rest of the seed. When we got hoppers, we will use the vac and suck this out. Pretty nice oats. Perked nice, I say. What the heck? That's not staying in the bin. What are you? Well, that is... Take my glove off. Yeah, look at that. There. Seed's too clean. Doesn't want to stay in the bin. Great. It's a frosty one this morning. Still beautiful. This is like mid-end of March weather, not beginning of February. Here's those oat screenings. Come on. That's what came out of the seed plant. This is the screening. So we're putting it through the re-cleaning it. Now we're getting a fair bit of good stuff out of it. Look at that. Some pretty nice oats that we're cleaning out of the screening. And of course you got your typical heavy, cutting it pretty heavy. which is to be expected. Nonetheless, we're getting more seed to seed out of the screenings that we got cleaned. So I sold to the seed plant. So I call that a win. Let's see what the actual screening's coming out. So this will be the second time they're cleaned. Some pretty nice screening still. Still have the odd pea, look at that. Lots of pea-hulled oats. Pretty good, I think. There's an odd big pea kind of coming off, blowing off the top. And of course they have a lot coming off the scalping trays. All the fine, thin, de-hulled ones. Hey Ray, is it good morning? Good morning, Ab? Yeah. Is it a good morning, Abby? Yeah, it's a good morning. Yeah, it's a good morning. Yeah. Skiff of snow. Saturday night it rained and snowed. And we are seeing if one 20 amp outlet will run this heater and two 1500, I think 1500 watt magnetic heaters. 250 watt. Why did I think 1500? Whatever. That should be good. At least these ones will have a little bit of warmth. Won't be as cold. Do I got any more in my pocket? I am out. I am out. You ate me out. Ate me out of treats. All right. See you guys later.